We are a wholesale lumber production company. We export all over the world, and this is our first foray into the world of a branded product. In the Americana Realwood portfolio, we manufacture a number of different products, including decking and siding, and within siding we actually integrate with a rain screen system. What the Americana Portfolio is a line of outdoor hardwoods. We basically take the lumber and we cook it at a very high temperature, and that stabilizes the wood. The whole process, start to finish, takes about 24 to 30 hours. And at the end of the cycle, you have wood now that is stabilized for outdoor use. We, as a hardwood lumber manufacturer, utilize our strengths to bring this product to market. And that includes our sawmill production, that includes our kiln drying production, all of our ripping and chopping capacity, our molding and shaping, and our thermal modification. The nature of the vertical integration at Bingaman & Son Lumber really is about as close as you can get to the resource itself. So the trees that we harvest are grown here in Pennsylvania on individual landowner properties, and our foresters go in and mark the trees that they're going to harvest. It comes up through our sawmill program and comes to this facility here in Kramer, Pennsylvania, where we kiln dry the wood and prepare it for the next stages of production. The difference between Americana and other alternative wood products on the market is, number one, it's 100% natural. It's just hardwood, heat, and steam. Those are the only three ingredients for what we do. A builder would use thermally modified wood outdoors in conjunction with other building materials. It's a real popular feature today in commercial construction in particular to do wood and concrete, or wood and steel, as a facade on the building, for example. Also park benches, siding, porch flooring. So if you're an architect or a specifier and you're talking about wood and natural wood products, we've already won the conversation. The longevity and lifetime expectancy for Americana hardwood is in the neighborhood of 20 to 25 years on horizontal surfaces, so decking and porch flooring. If you use it on siding, frankly, nobody's been around long enough to know how long it'll last, but that's a much gentler environment for the wood than on a horizontal surface. The hardwood that is harvested here in Pennsylvania by the Bingaman organization is done with selective cutting in the forest. So we're taking out only certain trees that meet the specifications that we're after, and we're leaving a lot of trees behind that naturally regenerate the forest. Compared to other building materials, wood has about the best ecological story of any product out there. So sustainably harvested wood is a lasting resource for generations to come. You can bring the beauty of natural Pennsylvania hardwoods to an environment where you don't typically see hardwood.